Welcome back, folks. Today we got two pieces of equipment that I got off of Amazon that I think y'all need to know about. And it's going to up your workflow for videoing and photography. So one to take some really cool maybe overhead shots and one to get some POV shots. To find out what they are, stay tuned. Grab a beverage and let's go. All right, so you're watching YouTube, you're binging YouTube at work. Of course, nobody binges YouTube at work. You're always working, right? Yeah. Employers, go away. I have this small rig magnetic phone mount that mounts to your hot shoe, to your camera. It's great. It's got this right here. This is a magnet for your MagSafe. You have a phone with a MagSafe. Boom, there you go. It articulates. Oops, don't drop it. It articulates just like this. So you can make it video yourself as you're taking a picture, or you can video out. You can place any phone from an iPhone 12 all the way to an iPhone 17. I don't know why they're very specific. My guess is MagPro's MagSafe cases only go back to iPhone 12. So carry on with this magnetic phone mount. Now this thing is made of billet aluminum, so it's super strong, right? It's got quarter 20. Look at all the quarter 20 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the body, and it looks like we got 1, 2, and then the middle one's 3. That's 7 different quarter 20 holes. Right here, it's got this knob. This is where the hooks to the hot shoe or cold shoe. It doesn't matter. You can hook this to a cold shoe. It doesn't matter if it fits. And then you tighten this right down. It comes with this Allen key right here. And this Allen key is to take this bolt out. Why is to take this bolt out? I have no clue. This comes out. This comes off. You can mount something here, I guess. I don't know why you want to do that. So it's fully articulates like that. It's a little stiff, but I think I like that so it doesn't move, right? So let me show you how to mount this onto a camera. All right, let me show you how this attaches. So I got us a camera. This is just a basic D5500 Nikon. Still a very good camera, by the way. I love it. It slides on here just like this, onto your cold shoe or your hot shoe. Snug it down with this. Now it does have these holes in it. You see these holes right here? It does have these holes where you say you can put an Allen key or something in there and tighten it. I don't suggest you crank down on your camera. Now, if you're trying to put it on like a tripod or something like that and you need to make sure it's sturdy, go for it. But with it being the hot shoe, I just finger tighten it, boom, I think you're good to go. All right, so here we go. So now it's on the camera like so. You see that? It's pretty cool. So now we're gonna take my phone, goes on there just like that. So now, I could be videoing myself when I'm taking pictures, or I can rotate it like so. Now I can video as I'm taking pictures. Or, which would be cool, is you can take your Insta360, put it on here, but I think they make a mount for the Insta360, so I don't think you need this mount. Anyways. So yeah, you can put this on here. It doesn't pivot though. It doesn't rotate. But you can put flashes back on here. You can put something else on here. You can maybe put another extension for a light if you really wanted to. A flash, run your flash down. Whatever you want to do. It's pretty neat. The little specs for this thing. It weighs 2.8 ounces, which really is nothing, right? Like, who cares? But, weight is weight. It's a little over 1 inch thick, and it's 2.3 inches tall. So it's not a big piece of kit. It's not a heavy piece of kit, but it is a very useful piece of kit. And I think that if you use this in the right way, you can get some really cool footage as you're taking pictures. So overall, I think this is a great, great piece of kit. For only $19.99 on Amazon, the link's below. If you like to press it, you can go purchase that and help us out a little bit. And go upgrade your game. With that said, That's about it. Comment below what you guys use to get different POV shots or behind the scenes shots when the camera is on top of your camera. Comment below if you would like to use this. After that, all right. You just saw the phone holder from SmallRig. Now we got something. Does a little bit some different. Holds all your stuff, all your shenanigans. It is called the Magic Arm with Clam Clamp Kit. Crab Clamp Kit. Sorry, Crab Clamp Kit. I'll look at my notes here real quick. It is 21 inches total length. It has a total weight of 10.9 ounces, which isn't that bad. Capacity of 21.1 ounces. Now, I haven't weighed my Nikon Z5 that I'm currently using, but I'm pretty sure it weighs more than 1.5 pounds. So I wouldn't put a full camera on. Now, maybe like a DSLR like this one, which I gotta weigh this one, see how much it really weighs, but maybe put it on there. I don't know, but it's more going to be for like your action cameras, light lights. Is that a thing? Lights that are on the lighter side in weight. There we go. Perfect. That works for me. So, first of all, this thing has 6 articulating balls on it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got these really, really nice wing nuts right here to hold on to. You got big hands like me. Things move everywhere you need them to move. It's really nice. They cramp into place really easy. They move really easy. I tell you what, man, SmallRig makes some good stuff, man. They don't skimp and they're inexpensive. All the way down to here. Here is the clamp. They call this the crab clamp. This clamp here, like I'm going to show you right here, as you see, watch me right here. It's getting clamped to a table. You can clamp this to a table. You can clamp it to a wall. You can clamp it to a window. Anything you can get this thing around, you can clamp it. Boom, you got it. I'm using it for, like you just saw in the first part of this video, those overhead shots with my GoPro, but my DJI Action 5 camera on this. That's how I got those overhead shots. And that was the biggest reason I bought this, is so I can get those overhead shots for product reviews and things of that nature. Also, I feel this could be very well used. Like if you're at your desk, you want to do like a talking head video kind of like this, but you're really hurting with space in front of you against the wall. You put this on your desk, you put the camera on it, and it gives you a little bit of room, like I said, you put lights on it. It comes with it comes with 3 different things. Well, one that comes with this, right? And the nice thing is this clamp can come off. It also comes with this Allen key. It goes into these holes right here like this. So you can loosen this up, make sure it's nice and snug. It comes off. Now this clamp is separate. It's cool. It's got quarter 20 on that side. It's got quarter 20 on this side. And it's got quarter 20 there. Now, it came with this clamp. It comes with this arm. It comes with this Allen key for some reason. I don't know why. It comes with this adapter. This adapter took me a second to figure out. It has a female quarter 20. And then it's got the male, the bigger version for tripod heads. You know where they screw the tripod? A tripod head screws onto tripod. It's a bigger thread. That's what this is for. So we could screw this to here, like so, if we really wanted to. And put a tripod head on it if we wanted. Also, I haven't figured out why, but here is the bigger not quarter 20, the bigger thread for this. It screws right into here. So now, what I feel you can do here, with these two, you can clamp this, and then you can have 2 different arms. You can have another one of these arms coming off this clamp, going somewhere else. I think it's like Legos. You guys remember Erector sets? You know, like the flat metal bars with all the screw holes and those screws and nuts. You can make, I had tanks. You can make all sorts of fun stuff. This is what kind of reminds me of. And that's the thing with SmallRig, is everything goes together. So overall, what do I think about this? This thing is pretty awesome. For the price of $33.90, I'll put the price. I think it's $33.90 on Amazon. Free shipping if you got Amazon Prime, of course, right? It's a pretty good idea. If you want to get after some overhead shots, or you need a helping hand for a light, or just another camera, to get another camera view. You don't have another tripod. Put it over here and get another camera view. That great for this. Downside is it only holds 21 ounces. That's only 1.25 pounds. 1 pound 5 ounces. That's nothing. Maybe a DSLR camera maybe weighs 5 pounds, or 1 pound 5 ounces, but definitely an action cam, a small light, a smaller camera, a phone. You could also, I don't have, put a phone mount on it. Put a phone on it. Works perfect. It's great for secondary. I think it's awesome. I really think the only downside to it is the fact that it doesn't hold a lot of weight. So the link is below, along with the link for the first one for the phone mount. Let me know what you think. Write in the comments what you use to add another camera, or write in the comments what you use to add another camera to the top of your camera to get a POV, or get those behind the scenes footages. You know, like and subscribe, please. It does great for us. Doesn't cost you anything. And once you comment and like and subscribe, please get out there, have some fun, make some pictures, enjoy life. Have a good day.